let's go. Am I dropping frames again? Stop doing stuff. Oh my god. That's a fucking Treasure Trove Cove. It's raining outside. I'm trying to speed up the process by skipping the questions that I know what they say. Questions I know what they say, so whatever. You understand. My hair, see it flow. Wash my baked beans. What good? Baked beans. Let's take care of this side. Mumbo's Mountain is easy for sure. How many jigsaws open its door? Mumbo's Mountain? 1. That looks like a 2 from here. That's not the right one. No, no it's not. Damn it. That's... Oh, shit. Fuck you! Yeah, you just walk into that fucking wall, you asshole. That's Kazooie. No shit, it's wrong. Banjo? Get out of here, you fucking mummy. I could kill you with a gold feather, but you'll just waste my gold feather. So you're not worth it, sir. In the graveyard. Yes, we know it's ghosts. That'd be funny if there wasn't any gravestones in the graveyard. It'd just be a yard. What's my favorite magazine? Yeah, it's the Fat Hag Monthly. Okay. Well, this bottom area is cleared. Here, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving! See the picture? Yeah. God damn it, I still don't know where that is. Mumbo. How is that Mumbo's Mountain? I don't even know. There are... How many bears can fit in there? There's 4. But there's 4 that fit in there! What are you talking about? That's a trick question, man. What? I know the jigsaw one was wrong the last time I did it, so... Oh, that's, is his name Blubber? Captain Black-Eye the Pirate. Captain Blubber the Pippo Pirate. And Admiral Brown-Eye the Dirty Pirate. What the hell? There's 3 answers, 1 you'll pick. It's my amazing party trick. What did I say last time? It's the baked beans thing, right? Yeah, bucket of beans, I mean. Me and her look just the same. Oh, yeah. Gruntilda, or Bruntella? It's like Nutella, but brown? Well, Nutella is brown. That doesn't make any sense. Flowers, propellers, anchors. There's anchors, right? Yeah, I didn't think it was flowers, although I was gonna answer that. Clockwork Wood, the eagle's name. Oh. Eerie. Okay, now, let's do sudden death, I guess. Using the eye of the Mumbo skull. Something else. It's called a jigsaw, if you're wondering. Banjo stupid, Grunty's cool. There's the name of which is school. Cauldron butt. It's hog breath. I like them fried. What a treat. For breakfast do I eat? Tadpoles on toast. Tadpoles on toast. What?
Oh.
Pictures! I like pictures. That's I know, Treasure Trove Cove. I almost said Rusty Bucket Bay. Everything is Rusty Bucket Bay. That's it. The question to every answer is Rusty Bucket Bay from now on. Rusty Bucket Bay. It's Rusty Bucket Bay. Watch, one of them is gonna be the answer, and I'm not gonna have like, I'm not gonna be able to answer it. And then I'll be answering Rusty Bucket Bay instead of. The fuck? What the fuck? What was that? Oh, it's the nipper guy. The fuck? Oh, yeah, Turtle Choir. Well, there's no Mummy Orchestra. Is there? The fuck? Come on, don't make me lose this. Oh, it's that turban head guy in Gobi's Valley. Rattle the snake. Ruby's the snake charmer. Hissed. Is that even his name? Probably not. Alright, I just want to get some healthies. If there is any. Well, why that word? Oh, I picked up a lot of them, didn't I? Did you hear that bird? He's like, he didn't sound like that, but you know what I mean. A Veruca plant. Oh my god, my headset is bugging me. Ugh. Well, it's not the headset itself, it's the wire. Look, it's not really a picture, the background's moving. It's like a video of an inanimate object. So it just keeps playing. Oh! A kitchen. Grunty doesn't own kitchens. She eats from the toilet. She poops and then she goes, oh look! Food. And she eats it. It's true. Why do you have to be so far away from things? I only have 2 gold feathers left. Fuck. Okay, let's go. Which character has his dumb voice? Oh, it's Gobi. I didn't... Hobo the what? I just saw Hobo the something. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's Clanker's teeth. You've got some nice teeth there, Clanker. I don't know. Grunty's lair, rusty brick bag, Clanker. Clanker should have said Clanker's cabin. What the heck, man? It's the Walrus Man, Waza. Girl. It's a girl. Waza's a girl. I said man. Hello, Mr. Vile. I wish to not speak to you. Mr. Piles? Just a second, I need a drink. Okay. What did I do on the cover shot? What did she do again? She sat on a broomstick. Oh yay, I'm excited. Yay. I'm so excited, and I just keep hiding. Uh-huh. Oh shit. No, I didn't eat that. I didn't eat that. I didn't push B. You're gonna screw me over, you fucker. Fuck. God. Please, please. Please, 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 please. I'm good. I am good. Ugh. Okay. Whoa! Hello! Conductor man. Oh wow. I'm listening. Oh, that's Chimpy! Right? I'm pretty sure it's Chimpy. Sorry, I moved my mic. Chimpy the chimp, Conga the gorilla, Bumpy the baboon. I almost said balloon. Bumpy the balloon. Silly sound. Oh, it's a note! Blue whale. Blue egg. Musical notes. A blue whale makes that noise, yes. That makes perfect sense. If you know this, don't shout. Bolt, anvil, hammer. A hammer? When they said bolt, I thought lightning bolt. Do you know dumb thing's name? Hi, Bottles. Didn't we already get this question this time, or is that before? I can't remember. I still think it's funny, Piddles. My first boyfriend's name, Greasy. Undead Ed. Green. It's Clockwork Wood! Sorry, my commentary is like really bad now. Watch, this is when I like make it through and my commentary's shit. Okay. Oop. I don't want that. Oop. Is that Jinjo? 2D Bottles Jinjo. That's a gold feather. Right? No. What? What was it? Shit. I was probably right, wasn't I? That's Nipper. No, that's Nipper, what am I talking about? Napper. Knocker the injured ghost. Slipper the drinking ghost. Slipper the drinking ghost. That's bad. Oh god. Please. Thank god. Oh my gosh. Becky, look at her butt. It is so big. Where's the Z? I don't even know how I'm gonna like edit this at all. This is just gonna be a nightmare. I already have an hour and 20 from when I recorded before. And then I stopped because I got so frustrated. I was like, fuck this shit, man. And I was like, no, I don't want to do this anymore. Oh wait, let's get rid of these first. Oh, it's a Mumbo token. Shaman's wife. Shaman's token. Extra life. It's the shaman's wife. She sounds like a man. In which band did I sing so well? Oh fuck. Grunty and the Cauldron Crew. Oh. Oh. You don't know how relieved I am to see that's right. Oh god. Clockwork Wood, that's in that house of the thing. It's cockroaches, right? Okay. Squirrel doing in spring. Looking for the beaver. Sleeping in his bed. Eating his nuts. He's eating his nuts. Yummy balls. I don't even know if I needed that, actually. Chicken scrape. What next? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Wow. I got all down here done, right? Right? I got over there. I'm just making sure. Sorry. Just making sure I got stuff. And I'm not missing any tiles. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay, I got everything so far, it looks like. On the treasure cove. There's a boat. What's its name? It doesn't float. A wobbly whale, a sweaty rhino, a salty hippo. Oh. Okay, picture time. Hello, Blubber. Blubber guts. Captain Bladder. Captain Bladder. Captain Blabber. Captain Blubber. Captain Burps a Lot should be his name. Sir Burps a Lot. What awards did I always win? Sweaty socks, biggest butt, dirtiest undies. I don't think so. My looks at school were never thin. What award did I always win? What? Didn't you just get this? How many feathers are on top? 3. Hello, tank top! Ugh. Excuse me, that was a burp. Weird thing. This really stinks. This massive chain. How many links?